In today's video, we have the Athlex case from Caseology for the Google Pixel 7a. All right, welcome back. Now we have the case from Caseology. This is their Athlex case for the Google Pixel 7a. And without further ado, we've seen this packaging before. Caseology right there, the image of the case, little pull tab. Let's pull it. Last time I pulled it, it ripped. Boom, it didn't rip this time. Bam, look at that. Nothing else is in the packaging. The case itself with your warranty card. Bam, let's go ahead and put that aside. And look at that. So inside the case, you have this nice anti-drop protection pattern. It says protect the case for the Google Caseology in Irvine, California. Very nice. It looks orange. Boom, as you can see, orange. Very nice accent there on the back. You're going to get a little bit of that orange bleeding through this camera lens protection there. And I believe this is a card slot here, if I'm not mistaken. No, it's not a card slot. It's just a accent. Boom, and look at that. Looks very good. Very grippy. I like this texture pattern they got going on. It's like a matte texture pattern. Looks very good. Dude, this added grip. Caseology came out with fire with these cases. Let's grab the Pixel 7a here. Very nice snug fit. You can hear it snap in place. I like that. And you got plenty of lip protection here around the display. So you are protected if you lay your phone face down on a flat surface. You're not going to scratch up that beautiful display. And this is tempered glass screen protector friendly. I do have a film screen protector and it works just fine with the film one. So it's going to work just fine with the tempered glass screen protector there. Moving on to the back of the case, you do have that accent there acting as your protection. Boom, look at that. So you are protected if you lay your phone on its back on a flat surface. You're not going to scratch up the camera lenses from the Google Pixel A. And I thought this was like a little slot, but it's not. It's just a cutout there so you can see the accent, the inside of the case. And it looks very nice. You can tell. Bam. 100% cover buttons. Nice and tactile, very responsive, no issues with the buttons themselves. Very loud clicky sound, very satisfying when pressing. And then you do have grip added here at the bottom right and bottom left edge of the case. You do have this added grip and it does work just fine. I love this texture right here. It feels very good in hand. It does add a lot of grip. The case itself, it's already grippy as it is because you can tell it's all textured, very matte black. It does not get any fingerprints. I love that it doesn't. And on the bottom of the case, you do have all your cutouts there are nice and precise. No issues with the cutouts there, as well as the top. Now, does this bad boy wirelessly charge through the case? And it absolutely wirelessly charges with no problems whatsoever. So there you have it, guys. This is the Athlex case for the Google Pixel 7a. Very nice looking case. I love the accent of the orange and black. Just gives it a nice pop. Very nice grippy case. Adds a little bit of bulk, but not too much. Very protective case. But there you have it. If you guys are interested in this case, link will be in the description of the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions regarding this case, leave it down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.